So we start off today's video with this cool cloud DIY project. Oh, wow. Oh, that looks amazing. Such a cool idea. Definitely something different. Wow. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. Just so that you guys know, everything in today's video is my own personal opinion. Please be sure to make your own on whether you think these projects would actually work or not. So here we have another very cool project idea. Now what I like about this particular project is that it does bring like that element of nature into the home. I think that's very cool. And this person has a lot of plants, so you can tell that they're into that kind of aesthetic and vibe. And then next we head to Target. So the reason why I know that these are Target bowls is because I have the same ones. So she's using gold foil on these bowls as well as the matte black paint and created this beautiful centerpiece. I love this idea. And the best part about that DIY is that those plates were like 69 cents when I bought them. Don't know how much they are now, but very inexpensive to recreate. And then we move on to this gold wall decor piece. This is such a beautiful idea. This is a mirror design, and this particular creator does a lot of like glam decor pieces. So if that is your vibe, definitely head on over to her socials. Here's a nice one where she does a flip, a furniture flip with the gold. Such a cool idea. I love her home. You guys know, if you follow this channel already, I am obsessed with all things gold and black. So definitely one of my favorite creators to check out. Really cool candle DIY there. Followed by this Pinterest inspired version. So this was an easy one because she basically just turned this into like a bookshelf. How cute is that? And then we have an IKEA hack. Oh, she put these in her bathroom. Oh, that is cute. Nice way to store your towels. By the way, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the DIYs featured within today's video, don't forget to show it some love, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest decor trends. Ooh! Oh, I love the fact that that looks like real stones. Very cool. And then we have two placemats here being turned into a pillow. Wow. Okay, that was very clever. And then we have an upcycle DIY with this lamp. Oh, wow, she's completely transforming this. Okay. And then she adds some fabric to the lampshade. She is giving this lamp a complete makeover here. The best part about this DIY is that you can use any lamp to recreate like the same kind of vibe and aesthetic. I think that's really cute. Such a unique statement piece as well. So this next DIY is a little bit on the advanced side of things. Oh, she made a table. That's cute. Oh, so you can use it at either side. That's pretty cool. Oh, is this like a Valentine's Day DIY? Looks like she's gonna use this cardboard and create a heart here. Oh, it's a candle holder. Oh, this is beautiful. This would be like a nice gift to give to someone. So pretty. And then we have this magazine rack. Now we don't, well, I don't typically see magazines, you know, as much as we used to back in the day. But this would be a cute one where you can put like your books and stuff in it. Once again, though, you have to be able to work with wood in order to attempt to do this one. I love the chocolate brown wooding, so pretty. And then I think we have another cloud-inspired DIY here. Let me see. Oh no, maybe she's making... Oh yeah, that's definitely a cloud. Wow! Oh, that is cool! Oh, that is so pretty. A really cool nightlight. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.